Hello friends, let us discuss today the different types of wire used in electrical wiring. Now the definition of the wire. It is a single bare or insulated metallic conductor having solid, stranded or tensile construction designed to carry a electrical current in an electrical circuit is known as electrical wire. Another definition is the filament of or the slender rod of drawn metal is also known as the electrical wire. The conductor which is used to carry the current is solid conductor, stranded conductor or tensile construction conductor. Now the cable. Previously already we have seen this topic, that is electrical cable and different types of electrical cable. Let us see only the definition. A current carrying conductor provided with the insulation layer and over it a protective covering against the mechanical damage is referred as a cable. Now the bus bar. A busbar is an electrical power distribution referred to thick strip of copper. It is a thick strip of copper or aluminum that conduct electricity within a switchboard, distribution board, substation or other electrical apparatus. A busbar may either be supported on the insulators, हा insulator वर प्लेस केलेला असेल, or else insulation ने completely surrounded it किंवा PVCचं insulation याला completely लावलेलं असेल, then it is called as the busbar. Now the different types of the conductor. For example, if the material used as a copper as a conductor, then that wire is called as a copper wire. Properties of the copper wires are: it is high conductivity, easily shoulder, heavier, more expensive than the aluminum copper used in house wiring. In the aluminum conductor, the conductivity of the aluminum is about 60% of the conductivity of the copper. Means its conductivity is lesser than the conductivity of the copper. It is cheap and light in weight. The galvanized iron, right? But these materials, galvanized iron, which is heavier than the aluminum, lowest conductivity and therefore used in a overhead line for the guarding purpose or for the earthing purpose. The size which is available is 1 square mm, 1.5 square mm, 4 square mm, 6 square mm of copper or aluminum conductors are available in the market. Then different types of conductor. Good conductor, which is having the low resistivity, carry current. The copper or aluminum. Bad conductor, which is having high resistivity and which converts the electrical engine energy into the heat energy, for example tungsten and nichrome. And non-conductor, which is not able to carry the electrical current, is nothing but the non-conductor, means the insulator. High resistance insulator, PVC and the glass are the example. There are the several types of the conductors are available in the market. For example, solid conductor means the conductor, there is only one conductor of particular gauge. Standard conductor, it is a one core, but there are the different strands are there, number of strands are there. Multi-stranded conductor, different cores are there, and in a different core there are multiple strands are there, and flexible conductor. Cable oblique wire. A cable or a wire used in internal wiring is covered with the insulation, but obvious the conductor is covered with the insulation so that it may prevent the leakage of the current from the conductor and thus minimize the risk of the fire and the shock. In order to avoid the electrical accident, conductor of the wire or the cable is covered with the insulation. The wire employed for the internal wiring of a building may be divided into different groups according to the conductor use, number of core use, voltage grading, and types of insulation used. Now, according to the conductor, the cables or the wires are classified into two categories, that the copper wire and the aluminum wire. And according to the voltage grading, they divide into two classes, that is 250 by 440 volt cable and 650 by 1100 volt cable. 250 means it is a voltage in between the phase and the earth, and 440 means it is the voltage between the two phases. According to the types of insulation, the wires are classified into the different categories. That is, the first one is the vulcanized Indian rubber, second is the CTS cable, then the lead sheet cable, then the PVC cable or the wire. First one is the vulcanized Indian rubber, that is a VIR wire, which is available in 250 by 440 volt grade as well as 650 by 110 volt grade. It is used in a cleat wiring, casing capping wiring and conduit wiring. VIR cable consists of either tinned copper conductor or the aluminum conductor. If the copper conductor is there, tinning should be done. If aluminum conductor is there, no need to tin it. The thickness of the rubber mainly depends on the operating voltage to which it is designed. जेवढं ऑपरेटिंग व्होल्टेज जास्त असेल, the thickness of the rubber insulation is more. Right? The copper conductor is tinned to provide the protection against the corrosion due to the presence of traces of the sulfur, zinc oxide and the other mineral integrants in the VIR. Tinning of the conductor prevents the sticking of the rubber to the conductor. The main drawback with VIR is that is insulation attack. रबरचं insulation जे आपण यूज केलेलं आहे, it will attach onto the conductor and it forms the product known as copper sulfate, as sulfur is used in vulcanization process. This is the generalized construction of the VIR wire, right? This is the conductor. Over that, vulcanized Indian rubber insulation is there. Then jute type structure, that is the braiding is there, and the second layer of braiding is there, right? The sulfur content in this vulcanization process is lesser, therefore it is not top wire. This is the generalized construction of the vulcanized Indian rubber wire. Now the top rubber sheeted wire or the TRS or cap type sheeted wire, CTS, right? If in order to make the rubber tougher, we have to add more sulfur into the vulcanized Indian rubber VIR rubber so that it's more hard and tough. It is also available in a grade 250 by 440 volt grades and used in CTS TRS wiring. This type of wire is modification of VIR wire. It consists of the ordinary rubber coated conductor with an additional sheet of tough rubber sheeted, right? This layer provides a better protection against the moisture and wear and tear. Also means this basically a VIR wire. Only a difference is that the another layer which is added over the vulcanized Indian rubber insulation is the tough rubber sheeted insulation, which is having the more percentage of sulfur. This is the generalized construction of the TRS wire conductor. This is the VIR wire, VIR insulation. Over that, top rubber insulation is there, TRS insulation is there, and then braiding is there. Cap type sheeted construction, it is a simple in nature. Now lead sheeted wire. The cables or the wire that we have studied previously are not generally used in the wet places. If we want to use the wires in the wet places, then lead sheeted cables are generally used, are available in 250 by 440 volts grade and are used for internal wiring where climatic condition is not dry, means wet condition, and little bit moisture. A lead sheeted cable is vulcanized rubber insulation conductor covered with a continuous sheet of the lead, and the thickness of that lead sheet is 0.12 centimeter or 1 to 1.25 millimeter thick. This is a generalized construction of the lead sheeted wire. Tinned copper wire is there, then vulcanized Indian rubber insulation is there, then cotton insulation is there, cotton covering is there, and then lead sheet is there. This is the generalized construction of the lead sheeted wire. Then the PVC wire, right? In order to avoid the drawbacks of the lead sheeted wire, VIR wire, top rubber sheeted wire or CTS wire, These wires are replaced by nowadays via polyvinyl chloride PVC insulated wires. These wires are available in 250 by 440 and 650 by 1100 volts grade and used in concealed wiring system. In this type of cable, conductor is insulated with PVC insulation. Since PVC is harder than the rubber, so PVC cable does not require cotton taping and braiding over it for mechanical and moisture protection. This material is harder than rubber, right? Though cotton taping is not required, braiding is not required. Since the PVC is thermoplastic insulation, so it is affected at high temperature and it may be softened and flow down. This cable cannot be used for giving connection to the heating appliances, pendant lighting, etc. Otherwise, this thermoplastic insulation may soften down. Top the insulation resistance of the PVC is lower than its of VR, but its effect is negligible for low and medium voltage below 600 volt. This is the generalized construction of the PVC wire. Now the weatherproof wire, it is generally a PVC wire, but weatherproof compound is added in a PVC material, then it is called as a PVC wire. Flexible wire, how to measure a wire gauge. This is the standard wire gauge tool. Is generally used to measure a size of the wire or the gauge of the wire. It is a slotted structure is there. Right? Each number represents the size of the wire. This is the one of the number, it represents the size of the wire or the gauge of the wire. Right? This is the general example is given. If the standard wire gauge is having the wire size 19 HWG, the diameter in mm is 1.016. Maximum ampere current carrying capacity of 19 HWG wire is 2.3 ampere and ohm per 100 meter is 2.7 ohm per meter. This is the generalized tool. In order to measure the size of the wire, what is the generalized procedure? We take a wire, we will remove the insulation over the conductor. If it is a standard conductor, then we select only one strand of the conductor, then we remove the tinning or the polish of the conductor and we will place into each slot. प्रत्येक स्लॉटमध्ये आपण तो कंडक्टर प्लेस करत राहू, प्रत्येक स्लॉटमध्ये आपण तो कंडक्टर प्लेस करू. ज्या स्लॉटमध्ये तो परफेक्टली फिक्स होईल, दॅट इज नथिंग बट इट्स gauge of that electrical wire. Hope you understood the concept very well regarding the electrical wires. Right? At last, we summarize the topic that we will initially see the definition of the wire, definition of the cable, definition of the bus bar. Then we will see the different types of wire, for example, VIR wire, top rubber sheeted wire, cap type sheeted wire, right? Lead alloy type sheeted wire, PVC wire, weatherproof wire, flexible wires, and then last we see the standard wire gauge and its procedure to measure the wire size of the wire. Thank you.